Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Today we're having a look at the Coors Light battery charger. I wonder if this thing will even work. It looks like it was made in 2015 A power bank, 200 milliamps. Let's take a look at that. I should probably have a flathead or something else, but I don't. I don't care if I need it. Wow, these things are usually not on this hard. I'm really surprised. Normally they just frickin' fly right off. That's interesting. That's in there real good. Man, I always love to have a good excuse to use a knife. You gotta be real careful when you use this stuff, ladies and gentlemen. Try to use it away from you, etc., so on and so forth. This says Humvee on it, so it must be super rugged, right? Seriously though, this is the hardest to get out that I have experienced so far. Come on, ladies. Oh, I'm getting dangerous now. Oh, there we go. Seriously, you gotta be careful with this stuff. There we go. Ah, that's what I wanted. This is the type that I could use in a cigarette lighter, I believe. I do believe. Or sorry, not a cigarette lighter, it looks pretty standard. A vape. This looks like what you would see in a vape. Yeah, I mangled that, but I can bring that back. It's just a little airborne. It's still good. It's still good. Alright. Well, that's basically it. Man, that's interesting. It was just dropped right in there. It was just like, no wonder it had to be on so tight. Looks like it was on by clips. Damn clips. And of course, I can't find where that plastic shield went off to, so this should be interesting. Anyways, that's all. That's it. That's all, ladies and gentlemen. Have a good one, folks. Catch you later.